Let's take a look. So let f of x equals 2x plus 14 minus 5e to the x. Find the equation of a tangent line to the graph of f of x at the point 0, 9. So step number 1, let me write that down, is to differentiate the function. So f prime of x, when you differentiate the term 2x, that's just 2. When you differentiate the term 14, that's a constant, so that just basically goes away. When you differentiate the term negative 5 e to the x is just minus 5e to the x. E to the x is its own derivative. So the f prime equals 2 minus 5e to the x. From there, you need to find the value of the slope. Look at the point. The x-coordinate of the point right here is equal to 0. So you need to plug that value into the derivative to find the slope. So you're going to do f prime of 0 equals 2 times minus 5 times e to the 0. Work that out. This is 2 minus 5, e to the 0 is 1. This is now 2 minus 5, which is then negative 3. Once you know that the value of the derivative at 0 is negative 3, at step number 3, you reuse y equals mx plus b, and you plug in the point again to find the value of b. So again, notice that this right here, look at the point, upper right hand corner, the y equals 9. So you put that in this position right here, this is 9. The value of m, that's the same right here. The value of m is negative 3. It's the value of the derivative at 0. So you put negative 3. The value of x, that's from the point where x equals 0, upper right hand corner again. So you put that right here. So this is from the point y. This here is f prime at 0. That's the x from the point. And then plus b. Okay, so then you work that out. So you basically end up with 9 equals negative 3 times 0 goes away, and you end up with just b as the value of 9 here. So then you assemble the pieces together, you end up with y equals m. Again, negative 3, the value of the derivative at 0, times x as the variable, and then the b is 9. So you put plus 9. And then, for the purposes of this exercise, in the box, upper left-hand corner, look carefully. It says negative 3x plus 9. So only this part of the expression without the y equals, only the negative 3x plus 9 goes in the box right here, if you're using my open math. That's it.